Mga kaibigan, just to continue our video, to take kapi-kapi without sugar. Yan mga kaibigan. So in the first place, I would like to ask some of you here, once again, good afternoon. It's around afternoon na ho mga kaibigan. And I would like to ask all of you that I am not an expert here, but I would like to answer for those questions na tinatanong ho para sa akin. So in the first place, I would like to ask that I am not an expert to be answer on this, to discuss all the things, but I have to reiterate some informations in a little bit of an idea, mga kaibigan. Kasi hindi po ako eksperto, maraming nakikinig ho dito, mga kaibigan. May tatlong sagot lang ho, or tatlong tanong na sasagutin ho natin, because there is a questions and there is answer, and there is an answer and there is a questions. Ganun lang, vice versa lang yan mga kaibigan. Parang niluluko lang tayo sa mundong to. In the first place, I am not an expert about criminal law, about investigations, and I am not a lawyer, mga kaibigan. Yung tanong, ano bang pagkakaiba sa apat na ito? Murder, infanticide, homicide, at saka yung parricide, mga kaibigan. When we say infanticide, mga kaibigan, it's a killing of a child not more than 3 days, no? Meaning hindi siya lumagpas doon sa prescribed na mga kaibigan na araw, yung mula nang isinilang yung bata, napatay ng nurse. They are not talking about here about the yung personal relationship, no? It's about to killing, yung pagpatay talaga ng not more than 3 days, less than 3 days old child. That is infanticide. Napatay ng nurse, napatay ng yung mama, papa, etc. That is considered as infanticide, mga kaibigan. Direct to the point ho tayo, mga kaibigan. And then parricide, it's a killing for pagpatay ito lahat, mga kaibigan. It's talking about relationship na po ito, mga kaibigan. Napatay ni mo imong mama, napatay ka sa imong papa, or etc. That is considered as a parricide, no, mga kaibigan. Basically, that is under our revised penal code or the penal laws here in the country. So that is yung pagkakaiba. Sa infanticide, walang relasyon doon. Dito, we are talking the factors of relationship, no, mga kaibigan. Ano ba yun? That is a parricide. And we go back to proceed to the murder. Murder, there is a deliberate intent, no? Pinaplanuhan, ano pa yung ginamit mo sa pagpatay. Nilason mo ba? Sinunog, tinorture bago pinatay? Gumamit ka ba ng mga sasakyan in order to kill that person, mga kaibigan? So meaning there is a deliberate intent to kill that certain person. And homicide, wala doon sa element ng walang sa planong mga pagpatay, mga kaibigan, yung homicide. Nasagasaan mo, namatay. So wala doon sa element ng murder. That is called a homicide. Not only for nasa gilid ng bahay, ha? So that is why, mga kaibigan, in a little bit of an idea that I am expressing here. And second na tanong, mayroon bang prescriptions or prescribed period ang expiration ng pag-file ng criminal case? I am not an expert, by the way. But there is a prescription period or prescribed period, mga kaibigan. The day na madiscovery po ang isang krimen, either in the person in authority or agent in person of authority, mga kaibigan, na kung saan ito po'y nadidiscoveryhan or during the time. Kasi we have mayroon tayong light offense at saka yung mga ganong uri ng kaso, like for example murder, kidnapping, and many others, mga kaibigan. That is called mayroon tayong prescribed. Like for example, murder, it's reclusion perpetua. Reclusion perpetua ho ang penalty ho doon, mga kaibigan. At I think that is 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Reclusion temporal, it's called in the homicide, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. So that is mga serious yun na sila, mga kaibigan. So that's why that day mayroon bang pag na-discover po, like for example, yung pumatay ng tao ay nakasibat, meaning pumunta sa ibang bansa, they are go to another country, and then after 20 years, after 50 years pa siya bumalik dito, tumatakbo na ba ho ang prescribed period of that case? Hindi ho, mga kaibigan. After ng 50 years, 20 years, bumalik siya dito, and that's the time the runs for the prescribed period of the case. Ganun ho yun, mga kaibigan. Kasi we have prescriptions of an offense. Ganun ho, mga kaibigan. So by the way, nalilibugan na ako dito, mga kaibigan. There is a lot of lawyers here. And then, if you cannot satisfied my answer, and then go to the expert, go to the lawyer asking about this. Because it is a very serious, and it is only for the aid of you, mga kaibigan. For those who are asking about that. And second, mga kaibigan, or the third, pwede bang makulong ang mga foreigner rito sa ating bansa? Yes. The answer is yes. The big yes, mga kaibigan. Because according to our law, in the archipelagic nation, in our archipelago, all the people who are here is covered in our penal laws. Like for example, nakapatay, nagnegosyo ba dito yung foreigner, nakapatay siya ng kapwa niya, or nakapatay ng Pilipino, that is liable siya na ganun dito sa ating bansa, mga kaibigan. And then, how about yung presidente, ambassador, or consul, mga kaibigan, they are immune. No? They are immune na sila sa kanilang mga makukumit na kasalanan. They are magbalik na sa kanilang bansa, mga kaibigan. Ang only lang is yung relationship ay parang magagalit-galit na ho yun. So, but the consul, there is a limited and immune to the law. Ganun ho, mga kaibigan. So, all of that, it's only for a little bit of an idea, mga kaibigan. So, all here in the country are answerable, and there is an what do you call as, pwede ba arestuhon? Yes, pwede magay sila prisuhon diri sa to. But we have yung tanong na pang-apat about administrative arrest is called involved for the mga kaibigan, sa mga foreigner po yon, no? Administrative arrest is called about for deportation proceedings, but there is we need for an court commitment order before sila magiging pupunta sa ibang bansa, sa kanilang bansa mismo. They are already trialed in our RTC, like for example. So that is all about law. It is all about law here, mga kaibigan. But I am not expert to discuss about this. Go to the investigator, go to the lawyer, go to the expert about law, and many others, because I am not expert to discuss about this. But it's only a little bit of an idea before I answer this, and then I ask for more queries about the expert about this, mga kaibigan. But to make it short, no? Ganun lang ho, mga kaibigan.